Hey guys, how's it going? Ferry from Tools and Gadgets, and today I'm so excited to show to you this newer flexible desk camera or phone holder. This was sent to me by the purpose of making this review. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what's inside of this box. So if you're like me guys, who is a small content creator or just starting up in this field, I know the struggle, and as what I'm using right now to film is not really flexible enough, or it's just stationary, so I could not really do overhead shots and all. So yeah, inside you have the manual here. So you have here the flexible desk camera or phone mount. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what it comes with. Here guys, here it is, the product. So here, this is what you use to clamp in your desk. This one, we'll be testing it out, but as what I could see guys, it really is sturdy. It has a really strong feel to it. It's not made out of cheap materials. If ever you're planning to do a shoot, a park, or at a gym, you could use this bar clamp over here in the middle. As you can see, there's also a grippy texture here at the middle. All you have to do is just open that, and there you go. What I love about this guys is that the flexibility that I could shoot or record my content here at home or outside because of the flexibility it gives. As you can see, all you have to do is just loosen this up, and this would, you could rotate this 360 degrees guys, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and set this up. And here guys, if you're using a phone mount, they also have this for your phone, and it expands. So if you have your regular DSLR cameras, you could mount it directly here, and you can adjust it there, making it tighter or looser. And also they included a Allen wrench here. I don't know what this is for yet, but yeah, we'll soon find out. Alright guys, so if you're a small content creator just like me, you'll probably be using one of these here. So it's not really good at overhead shots, and it has a limited flexibility to it. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this newer desktop flexible mount, and let's see how it looks. So here guys, we're here on the side of our table, and you have here an anti-slip kind of grippy texture here on the side. So yeah, let's go ahead and clamp it here, and it's as easy as screwing it in, and that's it. So yeah, next off guys, let's go ahead. This one is detachable, so you could do an extension or what. And yeah, let's go ahead and just lock it in place just like that. And here on top of that guys is that you could adjust this. You could rotate this whichever way you like. And of course, if you like the positioning already, go ahead and lock it up just like that. So same here on top guys, you could go ahead and unscrew that, and yeah, you could pretty much do whatever combinations you like here. And here on top, you could go ahead and fix that. If you want an overhead shot or a straight shot, do just about anything with this guys. Alright guys, so this is in place already, and we're gonna be attaching our phone for the overhead camera. It's as easy as that. And with this guys, you can now take a good overhead shot. So yeah, as what I said earlier guys, new content creators like me don't have the budget to create a studio yet. So yeah, this is a really great help, this newer desktop foldable phone mount or camera mount. So yeah, if ever you're interested guys, I'll be posting my affiliate link down below in the comments section as well. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!